Y'all, I made laundry detergent for under $16, and this is going to last me a whole year for a family of two. Here's what I grabbed from Dollar General. A shoebox style storage box, Zote, Snuggle wash beads, borax, and powdered extra laundry detergent. I prefer to use a shoebox storage box because it's perfect in size. You want to grab 4 to 6 little bags of the powdered detergent. This is my favorite, extra with Oxy Boost. Then you want to grab a bar of Zote. This is a cleaning powerhouse. It cuts grease stains like nobody business. You want to shred the Zote so it mixes evenly. Don't use whole chunks. It won't dissolve right. Then you want to get you some Snuggle scent beads or whatever beads you like. This is just for the smell good because we're not suffering over here. Lastly, you want to add a cup or 2 borax. This is going to boost your detergent so you use less product. Borax helps lift the stains and softens the water so your clothes doesn't come out feeling crusty and stanky. And the scent beads, that's your people gonna hug you moment. Now, if you have sensitive skin, don't add scent beads in. I'm just saying because I know y'all gonna ask me in the comments. And when I tell you this shoebox is going to use about 4 of the small bags of the extra laundry detergent, that's why I love it, because you honestly don't need that much. Oh, y'all see I'm just layering each of the products in, and when I tell you my clothes come out squeaky clean, I'm talking about squeaky clean, baby. Okay, a little will go a long way, unless you want your laundry smelling like a whole candle out. And it's safe for HE washers too. Just don't dump the whole box in there. We're not trying to flood the machine. Everything gets mixed in the shoebox as you go. Simple, no fancy equipment. Because tell me why one bottle of laundry detergent is $12 and it's going to be gone in a month. Okay, and don't even get me started on that fresh scent that disappears after one wash. I was over it. This is giving old school money saving grandma vibes, and I'm here for it. And then your clothes is gonna come out with no smell, no odor, just clean. This is perfect for if your kids are in sports or they just dirty kids. I promise you. I'm saving y'all money, and I know exactly what's gonna go into my home, and I don't have to spend $8 every month anymore. I refill this same container over and over yearly. In my cleaning cabinet, baby, it looks completely different now. Everything I use was found at Dollar General because, let's be honest, Dollar General is way cheaper than Dollar Tree now, and majority of stuff is in the dollar aisle. So tell me, would you make this, or are you still loyal to your store-bought detergent? I know y'all gonna ask me, Sylvia, how much do we use? So for a small load, you want to use 1/4 of a cup, right? But for a big load, you want to use half a cup. Now, if you have a bigger family, then you'll just triple or double the ingredients and use a bigger box. If you want more cleaning hacks like this, comment laundry and I got you. And if you know someone who loves to save money like I do, share this video with them. Follow me because we're replacing expensive store-bought products one recipe at a time. And if you're tired of spending money replacing expensive cleaners each month, I put over 50 of my favorite homemade cleaning recipes in my homemade cleaning book. It includes bathroom cleaner, laundry products, kitchen cleaners, floor cleaners, glass cleaners, air fresheners, so much more. You can grab a copy through the link in my bio.